Hello everybody, this is Somdatta Mitra from Kolkata. I am a published writer and a passionate painter. I am an articulate orator as well, and I am associated with Ashirvad publication for quite a few days, although this is my first participation in the anthology Affinity. So I received the package today and I want to share my experience with you. I know Anjan, who is one of the eminent, core team member of this project, and through him I got to know about this anthology as a whole, and I read all the contents in this book, in this anthology, and I was so much touched with each content the writers have written, because they have given a lot of efforts in imagining about the topic which they have written upon, which is really remarkable as a whole. I thank you, Anjan, as well as the Ashirvad core team, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this wonderful anthology. I want to relate to you one thing, that in a few anthologies where I have worked previously, either the quality of the page has really given me a little bit of discomfort there, or the arrangement of the contents through alignment problems or something of that sort has really bothered me in one or two anthologies where I have worked previously, but not with Ashirvad publication as such. But this is one of the best packages I have ever received in my life, and I'm so happy, overwhelmed and ecstatic that I felt not only the efforts has been given in respect to the compilation as whole, but maintaining the image of the cover page, as well as maintaining the quality of the cover, pages in the book, as well as assembling the pictures of all the writers there in a wonderful, innovative manner. They have arranged it, as well as all the writers are really efficient who have written all the contents in this book. So here is a request to all of you readers as well as writers: if you are enthusiastic about reading, please go for this book, purchase this book. Please go by the contents which each and everyone has written in respect to our writing arena goes, and I am sure that each and every one of you are going to enjoy this anthology to the core of your heart. And I wish you all the best. I wish all the best to all the writers as well, and I wish all the best to Ashirvad publication as well. I wish all the best to Anjan as well. He has done a remarkable job in uplifting so much labor, uplifting the spirits of the writers in this anthology. Thank you.